How to share Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can share Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Amazon Associate or affiliate links, you could also use the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And in joining to the affiliate program of Amazon, you can simply go to this affiliate/program.amazon.com, also known as Amazon Associates, in which it is one of the largest affiliate marketing programs globally designed to help content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their online presence, and participants can join the program for free and gain access to millions of products available on Amazon. By utilizing customized linking tools, associates can share product recommendations with their audience, earning commission on qualifying purchases made through their referral links, in which this is basically what it looks like upon signing in. And below you can navigate here your earnings overview and other tools in here. And to start promoting a specific product from Amazon, you simply go first on Amazon.com, and from here you can simply look for a specific kind of product you want to share the affiliate links in here. And it will show us in the top panel in here how we can start copying the link or getting the affiliate links on the top panel by clicking the Get Link button. And now to proceed, just go to your TikTok account in here and kindly proceed by clicking your profile icon on the left side panel in here. And kindly proceed by clicking the settings icon beside your profile, in which what we're going to do is to simply transform our profile or account into business account. So from here, it will show us a variety of options, so just click this business account and simply turn it on this one. By clicking on it, it will automatically be directed us in this page, in which the next thing that we need to do is simply choose a category in here that we want to sell, for example, electronics in here. So just click Become a Business to proceed. And upon doing so, it will show us that we can start to register our own business by clicking Register Now button below here. And after that, it will show us how we can start building the trust on TikTok. And by checking these boxes under business registration, you can now proceed by clicking Get Started button to proceed. In which, under this business registration, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, such as your basic information in here, and after that, just verify your business and verify your access in here. Wherein for the step 2 is to verify your business, you can simply upload a business qualification in here, and make sure that you also follow the instructional notes below here. Now for the step 3 is to simply verify your access, so you can use either SMS or voice call in here to proceed. And after filling out and submitting this registration for your business, all you need to do is wait for it to successfully verified by the system. But at this point, my registration is not verified. So on the left side panel, you could also navigate here the homepage, analytics overview, and even this TikTok for business. By simply clicking the Get Started, you will be able to be directed once again on the next stage. And from here, we can start signing up with TikTok in here by clicking the button below, but make sure that you also check the boxes in here. And upon signing in, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and you will be directed in this page, and it will show us some of the integration and also terms and conditions that you can simply toggle on and off depending on your preferences. And now to proceed, by clicking the Continue button below, we will automatically be directed on this page right here. So you can simply select our account for business on TikTok. So let's say I'm going to choose this Ads Manager. And upon doing so, you will be able to be directed on the next stage once again, where you need to select your advertising objective in here, such as for traffic, video views, lead generation, website conversions, or product sales. So basically, by simply filling out all of this required information in order to have a business account on TikTok, we can now start by sharing our affiliate links from Amazon in here. So let's assume that we have now successfully filled out all of the required information and also create our own business account on TikTok, in which the next thing that we need to do after that is to simply go to the website that will help us in generating a link that will be shared on TikTok. So this is called Linktree.com, in which it is a popular online tool designed to help users consolidate multiple links into a single, easily shareable landing pages, in which it is particular on the platforms like Instagram and TikTok, whereby sections typically allow only one per hyperlink. So from here, all you need to do is to simply sign in your account, and after that, you will be directed on this page. And it will show us on the left side panel some of the options, but to proceed, just click this add button below, and upon doing so, it will show us that we can start entering the URL or browse application in here. And in those options, I'm going to choose the TikTok account. By entering our TikTok account, it will show us in here that we can start adding a collection and customizing firstly this title by clicking on it. For example, I'm going to enter here Amazon finds. And under this URL, the URL that we're going to input here is the URL that we found on Amazon Associate, in which going back to this Amazon.com account, from here just simply select or find a product that we want to share the affiliate links on our TikTok account. For example, this one right here. By simply clicking on it, it will show us in here all of the details about this product, including the name of it, the corresponding prices, and by clicking the Get Link button on the top right corner, it will show us the short link that we can simply copy, then simply go back once again in our Linktree account and paste it under this URL in here. By simply pasting it, it will show us what it looks like, and it will automatically appear on the right side panel or this Linktree overview, wherein this is basically what the customer or viewers will see when they try to click the link. So as you can see, we have here a variety of options to choose from, and we could also add additional link if you want to, if you are promoting different kind of products from Amazon in here. And now that we get the affiliate links and adding it in our Linktree account, this is basically our Linktree on the top panel, that we can simply copy the link and simply go to our TikTok account to start sharing this kind of link. So again, go back to our TikTok For You page. You simply click once again on the left side panel. And for instance, we're going to search firstly for a specific kind of Amazon product. For example, by searching Amazon finds, it will show us in here a variety of options of product to choose from that is also promoting by other users on this platform on TikTok, in which we can use some of these users' content as our guide in creating our own and promoting the specific product that we just start promoting from our Amazon affiliate. So we could also enter some of this and create a new video and add a kind of caption, hashtag, and many more. And now, the first thing that we need to do first is to simply go to our profile icon and click Edit Profile button to proceed. And on this pop-up window, just simply enter on this bio the Linktree link in here, and after that, just click the Save button to proceed. So basically on TikTok, since only one link are allowed to paste on your bio, we use this Linktree account or the Linktree link in here. And by clicking the Save button to proceed, all we need to do is to simply refresh this one in order to pop up or to reveal the bio that we just entered in here. So all we need to do is wait for it to load, and after that, you'll now be able to see here the link on the bio that we just get from our Linktree account, in which when a customer or viewers try to click the link, they will be able to be directed in our Linktree account or in our Linktree in here, and they can simply click the Amazon finds and directed on the Amazon product that we are promoting on Amazon Associates. And if you also want to add a new collection, you can simply click this Add Collection button to start adding a new link in here for affiliate links from our Amazon Associate or for the product that we are promoting, like this one. So just simply do the same process on sharing the link on our TikTok account. And once those customers try to purchase using our affiliate links, we'll earn a commission from it and we can track it in here. So overall, that is just basically how you can share Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. Thank you.